Hello everyone, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to do a quick intro for you guys. So where I live, there's still snow on the ground, so I put these 4 outfits together for you guys. I didn't know what to title this video, a lookbook or outfit idea, but I just went with must-have clothing pieces. So yeah, these outfits are really easy to put together when you're on the go, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get right into the video. For this first look, it's very simple and easy to throw on. I am wearing a long sleeve mock neck shirt. Over that, I'm wearing a tank top with black skinny jeans and a pair of boots. I threw on a denim jacket to add layer and to keep warm. For the second outfit, I am wearing the same mock neck from the first outfit. What I like about this mock neck is that it's not a thin material, it's more of a knit material which has like a sweater feel to it. I added the blue button down blouse to add some layer, then threw on this long cardigan to finish the look. For this third look, you can definitely pull it off if you don't have a lot of snow where you live. You can never go wrong wearing turtlenecks, a basic clothing piece that you should have for the winter time. Over that, I'm wearing a crop boxy button-up shirt. For shoes, I'm wearing ankle boots. And finishing off the look with a knit beanie hat. For this last outfit, I'm wearing this big knitted sweater. One tip that I have is that if you don't have a thermal shirt, then you can always wear a long sleeve shirt to keep you warm under your sweater. What I like about knit turtleneck sweater is that you don't have to worry about wearing a scarf, and you can use it as a face cover up when the wind is blowing. To keep my legs warm, I'm wearing my thigh-high boots and finishing off the look with the same jacket that I wore for my first look. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!